Hello everyone, my name is Anna Maria and I'm one of the teachers from KSG Learning Center. Today we're going to learn about adverbs. Firstly, we need to know what kind of adverbs we have. Adverbs of manner, adverbs of place, adverbs of time, adverbs of frequency, of degree, intensifiers, focus adverbs, viewpoint adverbs and connectives. Each of these type of adverbs, they answer to a question. The adverbs of manner, they answer to the question how. Adverbs of place, they answer to the question where. Of time to when. How often for adverbs of frequency. To what extent for adverbs of degree. For intensifiers, we have reveal attitudes. And for focus adverbs, we have focus attention. How to identify an adverb? If we have a sentence, we need to find the adverb. How do we do it? The first thing that we look at is the one-word adverbs that are ending in L and Y. Many adverbs, particularly those of manner, are formed from adjectives by the addition of L, Y. And some examples we have here. Patient, and the adverb is patiently. Some adverbs of frequency are also formed in this way, and you have the usual, and the adverb is going to be usually. If you have adverbs of degree are also formed like that, near, and the adverb is going to be nearly. And for adverbs for viewpoint, we have fortunately. Position of adverbs in the sentence. It's easier for us to identify the adverbs if we know where they are positioned in the sentence. There are different places where you can put the adverb in a sentence. The adverbs of manner, these answer the question how. Usually it comes after the direct object or there is no direct object after the verb. And we have some examples here as well. She speaks Italian beautifully, he works well, you must drive your car carefully, eat quietly. As you can see, all the adverbs, they are after the verb. We have the verb speaks and the adverb beautifully. Adverbs of place, these answer the question where. Usually comes after the object, otherwise after the verb, as the other ones as well. We saw you there, we were sitting here, we looked everywhere. Then you have the adverbs of time. These answer the question when. This adverb usually comes either at the end, at the very beginning of the sentence, or at the end of the sentence. And we have an example here. We haven't started yet. So the adverb yet, you can find it at the end of the sentence, but you also can find it in the beginning of the sentence. He still wears old-fashioned clothes. The adverbs of frequency, this adverb comes after the verb to be. And we have an example here. She is always honest. The verb to be is, and after the verb to be, you can find the adverb always. Adverbs of degree. These answer the question to what extent and can modify an adverb or an adjective and comes before the word it modifies. And you have here, the bottle is almost full, nearly empty. I hope you enjoyed the lesson for today. See you soon. Bye.